How to create a sprint project in Desklog. To go to Projects, select Project List. Click Create Project, add project details like name and set project methodology as Sprint. Choose other details and click Continue. In the next panel, you can select Workflow and Planning. Set the project workflow, project start date and end date, and other details and click Create Project. Once your project is created, open the Sprint section and out to click New Sprint. Add a sprint name, set the duration and dates, and define the sprint goal. Some tasks may not be started during the current sprint. With the Sprint Backlog, these tasks stay organized and can be moved to a future sprint. Each sprint must be started manually before you can work on its tasks. Complete the current sprint to begin the next one. With Project Sprint Management in Desklog, teams can manage projects with greater structure, visibility, and control. Start managing your projects by sprint today.